Hello friends. So in this video we are going to do unit 11, that is called capital and revenue expenditure, and this is the unit 11 of AFB, means accounting and finance for bankers. So in this chapter we are going to study capital and revenue expenditure and what is difference between them, how to distinguish between them, how to find out which type of expenditure is a capital expenditure and which is the revenue expenditure. So let us see. First of all, we have to know what is the capital expenditure. So capital expenditure is an amount spent to acquire or improve a long-term asset such as an equipment or building. Means this is the equipment which we are going to use in a long-term building. Usually the cost is recorded as a property, plant and equipment. The cost, except the cost of building, will then be charged to depreciation, and because we are going to purchase the equipment building, therefore we have to charge the depreciation. We don't charge depreciation in the cost of the land. So I'll read it here. That means amount spent to acquire or improve a long-term asset. Means what is the meaning of long term? Long term means over more than one accounting period, means 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, sometimes 10 years, 20 years. So that means a property or plant machinery is acquired for the production purpose and life of that property may be more than one accounting period. That expenditure is called capital expenditure. Okay, now moving ahead, what is revenue expenditure? So revenue expenditure is an amount that is expensed immediately. That means it is restricted to only one accounting period. And not only that, routine repairs are revenue expenditure because they are charged directly to an account, such as repairs, maintenance expenses. Even significant repairs that do not extend the life of the asset or do not improve the asset, means these repairs will call as a revenue expenditure. So I mean to say revenue expenditure are those whose amount is limited and whose accounting is done only for one accounting period, like starting from 1st April to 31st March of that this year. Okay, now we'll see what is the difference between them. After seeing the difference, we'll see what is actually how to distinguish between what is capital expenditure and what is revenue expenditure. So number one, amount is spent to acquire new asset or upgradation of present asset is called capital asset. Means when you acquire an asset, okay, when you acquire, that means when you purchase one asset and for that upgrading a present asset, okay, is called capital expenditure. And opposite to this, amount is spent on day-to-day operation, like you are paying wages, you are paying salary, you are paying tax, you are paying some other expenditure. Okay, so this is called the revenue expenditure. Number two, long span is long term, means time span is long term, means the time span of capital expenditure goes always more than one accounting period, whereas in case of revenue expenditure, time span is limited and it is only for the current accounting period. Number third, capital expenditure is recorded in firm cash flow statement, whereas revenue expenditure is recorded in the income statement because the revenue expenditure is directly linked with the profit and loss. Moving ahead, number four, capital expenditure always goes to the balance sheet under fixed asset because that become the fixed when you acquire one property, when you acquire one machinery, when you acquire something like land, you acquire some furniture for the business purpose, so that always go to fixed asset. Whereas opposite to revenue expenditure, not necessary to record in the balance sheet. Okay, number fifth, main purpose is to increase the current capacity because when you acquire machinery, that means this always increase your current production capacity, whereas revenue expenditure only motive is to increase your profitability, like expenditure incurred to increase one technical advisor. Okay, so you are paying salary for that, so that salary will come as a revenue expenditure because you will be paying salary every month. Okay. And number 6, for the capital expenditure, there is no limit for the expenses. Means you can expend any amount. Whereas in the revenue expenditure, that is limited. I took example like salary paid to the technical advisor, his salary is limited. Number 7, generally these are long term in nature. I told you the capital expenditure will go more than one accounting period, whereas revenue expenditure is only for the short term period. Okay, next, number 8, capital expenditure is not recurrent. Means every now and then you will not be purchasing machinery. Okay, every now and then you will not be paying for the installation of the machinery. So this is not recurrent. Whereas revenue expenditure is recurrent in nature. That means every month you have to incur or every day you have to incur. And moving ahead, ninth, they are capitalized. Capitalized means they are always taken as a capital in the balance sheet. Whereas revenue expenditure is not capitalized, it is always goes to profit and loss account. Number 10, whatever capital expenditure is there, whatever asset you have acquired, in that you have to charge the depreciation. Whereas in revenue expenditure, depreciation is not charged. Now I'll take example here. Purchase of copyright and purchase of machinery, these always comes under the capital expenditure. Whereas salary, inventory, taxes, etc., all these come because recurring nature for one accounting period and value is less. Whereas for the capital, it is not recurring, okay, and value sometimes more than. So these are called the capital expenditure. Now I'll take example here. Means I'll take numericals here. Cost of replacement of defective parts of machinery. I'll read the question once again. Cost of replacement of defective parts of machinery is revenue expenditure. It's not capital expenditure because you are replacing only the defective parts. You are not replacing the whole machinery. So that is called revenue expenditure. Now let us look at the second example. Loss of goods due to fire, rupees 8,000 rupees, is a revenue expenditure because loss is arising out of business operation. Okay, so loss was due to the fire. Okay, and so that's why it is called as a revenue expenditure because loss is not recurring in nature and it won't happen to the next year. That means not go to the next year. Okay, now next, moving ahead. Third question. Preliminary expenditure, discount allowed on the issue of shares are example of revenue expenditure, and correct name is deferred revenue expenditure. Means that revenue expenditure will be carried forward to the next year. Okay, whatever you have spent, that is called deferred revenue expenditure. And moving ahead, number 4, expenditure incurred in acquiring a patent right or patent right, intangible asset, patent right, copyright, goodwill, all these called intangible assets. So expenditure incurred in acquiring the patent right for the business is the example of capital expenditure. Okay, so in this video we have seen what is capital expenditure, what is revenue expenditure, and what is difference between them. So with this we'll finish our video. Please keep watching my next video also. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Good day.